desk is a mess, and today we're going to fix it, or at least try to. Okay, in a second I'll show you what my desk looks like, but it's a place that just collects. I mean, my whole room is full of places that just collects clutter and crap, and I'm sick of it. And I'll just get lazy and have these moments where I just don't clean. Like, I try to tell myself every weekend, clean your room, clean your bathroom for a good week, and I just don't. But today we're going to do the desk. This is going to be a part of a new little series that I'm doing of organizing and decluttering my room. We're going to take it space by space. So starting with the desk, we're going to go through all of these drawers I have over here. I got some little drawer organizers, and I got a couple little things, and we're just going to make it look better. So I'm probably going to take a few breaks throughout this process because I have ADHD and I just can't sit down and do this whole thing at once. Like, it's just not possible. So without further ado, let's take a look at the before and let's get started. Okay, I have way too many cans. Oh, that's not even empty. Yeah, I drink energy drinks a lot. You can say it, I have a problem. I got another one. It's to help get me through this tough time of organizing. You know, like, it's just, it ain't easy. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, that's disgusting. There's a little roach in there. He's been taunting me for a long time, like days. In my room, I'll see him. I finally caught him. Oh, good, good, good. So my first thing that I'm gonna do is like clear off this desk. And then I'm thinking I'll use it as a place to go through my drawers, like take my drawers out and like empty them on the desk. And then before I put everything back on the desk that needs to be there, I'll clean it. That's my thought process. I don't feel like doing this sitting down. This is a standing desk, so I'm going to stand up. Oh, there's another one. Found another roach. Why are they multiplying in my room? I know why. It's because I'm messy. I keep leaving plates out that have crumbs on it. Okay, I've got this pretty cleared off, if you can tell. I'm going to now try to work on this top drawer, which is basically like the junk drawer. I don't want it to be the junk drawer. So we're gonna take it out and use these, which I just got in from Amazon. It's those like little acrylic organizers. I'm gonna just empty this out real quick and we'll be right back. Okay, emptied out the drawer. Over here is stuff that I'm thinking I'm gonna keep in it, and then probably can't see too well, but over there is just stuff that's not going back in it. Okay, I figured out a way to make it decent. So I have them like this. I put the little grippies on the bottom so they shouldn't move too much. And I'm gonna have these two things in the back. See the little elephants? So cute. I got these on a Prime Day deal too. They aren't exactly what I was looking for. Like, they're the same look of ones I've had in the past, but they weren't quite as good. But it's okay. There's the after. Much, much better, if you ask me. A makeup drawer, which I don't touch most of this stuff, so we're gonna be brutal and try to get rid of a lot of it. Okay? Okay. Okay, well, this is a little dirty. You can clean this out, but then we can put the stuff back in. Forgot to turn the camera back on, but I've got it organized. I used one that I already had in here and then two of the new ones. But here she is, looking good, and I got rid of a lot of stuff over here that I don't use and I don't need anymore, so that really helps declutter this. Oh, so much better. That's just one makeup drawer. We have another one. Haha. This is the one I use most, and like the stuff in here, I don't remember touching anything like other than my sprays in a long time. So we're going to purge it out. Okay, cleaned it out. Here's how I'm going to set these in here with the gap in the back, and that'll be for things like unopened products that are here to replace when I run out of the open one. I know these are really dirty. I need to clean them. Don't judge me. Voila. That is, for that one, that looks so much better. Oh my gosh. Okay, this next drawer is just full of a bunch of these things, which I don't need them to be, and I have other drawers now that I can put this kind of stuff in, so that's what I'm gonna do. And maybe get rid of some of this, because I don't need all these. I haven't touched them in a long time, so let's purge. I actually designed this one. It's on Redbubble. Obsessed with this notebook. I get these notebooks from TJ Maxx. I love them, but this one, oh, I love. This was actually a gift from work at Molly Made. It's a nice little gesture. You know I love. I also designed this one on Redbubble. Bullet journaling. This is like my nail drawer. Oh my gosh, I got these from Amazon. They're super duper long nails because I was gonna do a video of wearing like 5-inch nails for a day and just seeing how hard it would be. I haven't done it. I don't know if I will. Let me know if you think that'd be funny or you want to see that happen. But yeah, so I have these for like no reason. Okay, now let's clean this out and see what we can do. Okay, I think this will do, and then we'll put the fake nails back here. Hopefully they'll fit. Hey, not too shabby. Let's try to get these gel polishes and stuff set away. Hey, look at this. This looks so good. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Wow, that is a big difference. Okay, now this drawer is also like kind of a junk drawer, but this is like unopened things to like replace other stuff. So we'll see if we can like put just the leftovers of that stuff in here and see if we can just make it look better, you know? And potentially even put this stuff in one of those big drawers and hold this for something else. I don't know yet. We'll see. I might need this to be like an electronics drawer and have these things be in one of my big empty drawers. Okay, so what I decided to do with it is make this my electronics drawer officially. So I think it looks really good. I have like my camera tripod and some power banks and SIM cards and USBs and stuff like that. So I think this is good for now. It's bound to get more and be cluttered again, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, and this is the last drawer, just some more notebook stuff. Random scissors. This is a bunch of like guitar songs. Recipes. Okay, I think this is good. Like so. Wasn't too bad. I got rid of one thing though. Okay, so that's it for the drawers. Now I need to get rid of the stuff that I took out that I'm not keeping, and then go through the stuff that I'm keeping but just not in the junk drawer and see what I can do with that. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to deal with those new makeup brushes I got, because I plan on those being out on the desk, because I got this here, and I got this because one, I mean, it's cute and I'm going to display my all black brushes, which I'm excited about, but then it helps keep the dust off of them, you know, so like they're sitting here being protected from the elements. So I just have to figure out where I want to put this, and then we'll fill it up. Or no, let's fill it up and then we'll decide where we want to put it. How cute is that? Oh. Let's put everything else back up and see how we like. Now just I need to clean this section. Okay, I think the next stage of cleaning this area is going to be underneath. It's not gonna take much, but let me clear that out. It's not great. I need to do something about files, but I don't have a filing cabinet, so that's a future Hannah's problem, not a today's Hannah's problem. So I think we might be done. Like, there's things I want to change. So like over here, I want to get a new makeup mirror because that one just doesn't do it for me anymore. And I would love to get a mouth that doesn't have a cord, all that kind of stuff. But little tweaks, little tweaks. I think we did good, guys. I think we did good. She looks beautiful. The big winner are these drawers. Oh, I think we did good. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel and shows me the kind of stuff that you like to see. And stay tuned for the next episode in this series. And I think it's going to be me organizing my nightstand area and all the drawers that go with it, because there's a bunch of drawers. It's like clothing drawers and stuff like that too. So that's going to be next, maybe, or my bathroom. Let me know which one you'd want to see next and we'll organize it together. Anyways, thanks again so much for watching and have a wonderful day.